The sun hung high over the dusty road as Jesus made his way from Judea toward Galilee. His journey led him through Samaria, a land often avoided by his people, to a town called Sychar. There lay Jacob's well, a place of history and deep roots, where the patriarch himself once drew water. Wearied by the long trek in the midday heat, Jesus sat down by the well to rest. It was about the 6th hour. Soon, a Samaritan woman approached, her jar empty, her spirit perhaps heavier than she realized. She came to draw water, expecting nothing more than a routine chore in the heat of the day. But Jesus broke the silence with a simple request. "Will you give me a drink?" he asked. She was startled. "You are a Jew, and I am a Samaritan woman. How can you ask me for a drink?" For Jews and Samaritans did not associate with one another, bound by centuries of tradition and wall of prejudice. Jesus answered, "If you knew the gift of God and who it is that asks, you would have asked him, and he would have given you living water," he continued, his voice carrying a weight of eternal truth. "Sir," she replied, "you have nothing to draw with, and the well is deep. Where can you get this living water? Are you greater than our father Jacob, who gave us the well and drank from it himself?" Jesus said, "Everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again, for physical thirst is never truly quenched. But whoever drinks the water I give them will never thirst. Indeed, it will become in them a spring of water, a spring welling up to eternal life." The woman's heart began to stir with an ancient longing. "Give me this water," she pleaded, "so that I don't have to keep coming here to draw." But first, Jesus touched a hidden wound. "Go, call your husband and come back," he instructed. "I have no husband," she replied softly. Jesus answered, "You are right. You have had 5 husbands, and the man you now have is not your husband." The woman was stunned. Her life lay open before him. "Sir," she said, "I can see that you are a prophet." She began to ask him of the deeper things of God. They spoke of mountains and temples, of where one must go to find the presence of the Almighty. "Believe me," Jesus said, "a time is coming when true worshippers will worship the Father in spirit and in truth." "I know that Messiah is coming," she said. "When he comes, he will explain everything to us." Then Jesus declared, "I, the one speaking to you, I am he." The revelation was complete. Leaving her water jar, she ran back to the town, her physical thirst forgotten in the light of his words. "Come, see a man who told me everything I ever did," she cried to the people. "Could this be the Messiah?" The townspeople flocked to the well, their curiosity piqued by the woman's transformed spirit. Many in that town believed because of her testimony, and many more believed after hearing him for themselves. For at an ancient well, in the heat of the day, a woman found the water that would never run dry.